here I have taken the 1 cup of samo seeds, and I've rinsed 2 times, and I'm going to soak around 10 to 15 minutes. So I've heated the pan, and I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and afterwards I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, few curry leaves. Here you can use fresh or dry curry leaves. Now I'm going to add dry chili, 1 cinnamon stick, and 3 cloves. Then I'm going to add 2 medium size of potatoes, chopped potatoes. Now I'm going to add peanuts, and I'm going to cook around 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm going to cover the lid as well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of green chilies. Then I'm going to mix properly. Now I'm going to add paprika, 1 teaspoon of, or around 2 teaspoons of paprika. You can use the red chili powder as well, so according to your taste. Now I'm going to add our soaked samo seeds. Here you have to remember the samo seeds absorbs the water a lot, so you have to add the water according to your consistencies. Like if you like to dry khichdi, you can add less water. If you like runny khichdi, you can add more water and add a little bit salt as well. So here I added the salt, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm going to mix properly. I'm going to cook around 5 minutes, and with cover the lid as well. Here I have added more water, so it will cook in the water as well. Like you can see how much water. And I'm going to add a little bit the salt as well, because I have added more water. So I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, extra salt. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to add bell peppers. Here you can choose according to your choice the color of the peppers. And again I'm going to cover the lid, and I'm going to cook around again 5 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to add the yogurt. This is around, I've taken 1 cup, but you can choose according to your taste how much sour you need in your khichdi. And I'm going to mix properly. And here you can add more paprika if you want like more colorful khichdi, like little bit orange khichdi. So I'm going to add again the 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can cook around for 2 minutes, and then afterwards we're going to add fresh coriander, and we're going to offer to Lord Krishna. So our delicious khichdi Ekadashi khichdi is ready now. Here I would like to share one of the sloka on Mohini Ekadashi. Today is Mohini Ekadashi. So this is the sloka from Srimad Bhagavatam. It is a canto 2, chapter 2.31, sloka 31. Thainatmanatma namupaiti santam anandamayo vasane etam gatim bhagavatim gatoya save punane havisajjati nangaha. So this means only the purified soul can attain the perfection of associating with the personality of Godhead in complete bliss and satisfaction in his constitutional state. And whoever is able to renovate such devotional perfection is never again attracted by this material world, and he never returns. So I hope you like my video, and now I'm going to offer to Lord Krishna, and we're chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times. Thank you for watching my video. Hare Krishna.